Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making these soft and extremely delicious vanilla cupcakes. They are very simple to make, so yeah, let's hop on to the recipe. So for this I have taken plain flour, some castor sugar, 3 eggs, butter, baking powder, baking soda, salt, milk and some vanilla extract. Now in a bowl, add some flour. Make sure to sift your dry ingredients before you start mixing them. It's very important. Then you need to add some baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Give it a good mix. And keep this mixture aside. Now in another bowl, add some butter. Now beat the butter at high speed for 1 minute. After beating, add some sugar. Don't add all the sugar together. Add it at intervals to make sure the butter and sugar are mixed very well. Continue beating until the mixture turns out to be very fluffy and very soft. So the mixture has become quite fluffy, and now we're going to take the excess from the sides to make sure everything is mixed very well. Now it's time to add the eggs. Add 1 egg at a time and beat it for 1 minute. Now add the second egg and beat it for a further 1 minute. Follow the same process for the third egg. So the mixture has become quite smooth, and now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Make sure to fold the mixture before you beat it. Now beat it for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure everything is mixed very well. Now it's time to add the milk and the vanilla extract at the end. Beat the mixture for further 2 to 3 minutes until it gets fluffy and smooth. So our batter is finally ready. You can check the consistency. It is so smooth and it is so fluffy. Now take a cupcake tray and cupcake molds. Make sure to grease your molds very well. This batter is basically for 12 cupcakes, but since I didn't have 12 molds, so I am making 6 cupcakes for now. Now I'm going to add the batter in it. Make sure you not add too much amount because it may overflow the mold. Now pat the baking tray to make sure there are no air bubbles in it. Now keep it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So our cupcakes are finally ready. You can check the golden color, it's so good. Now before taking out of the molds, make sure you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and make them cool down. You can also decorate them with some icing. You can see how soft they are and the texture is so good. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.